you've ever heard the words, "you're such a good friend," and felt your heart sink into your stomach, or if you've been the guy she calls when she needs someone to talk to, but never the guy she actually wants to date or sleep with or be romantic with, this short bonus video is for you, because I'm about to give you the exact roadmap to escape the friend zone, and it has nothing to do with confessing your feelings or being more romantic. I'm Marni, your personal wing girl, and this is a special bonus video because I've been getting tons and tons of messages from guys who are stuck in the friend zone. And here's exactly what I keep telling them. You didn't get friend zoned because you're not attractive enough. You got friend zoned because you're acting like a friend. You're not acting romantic or sexual. Here's the problem. Most guys think the friend zone happens to them. She puts me in the friend zone. I got friend zoned. Why do women always friend zone nice guys? But here's the brutal truth. You are putting yourself there. You are friending yourself every time that you drop everything when she calls, listen to her complain about other guys for hours, act like her free therapist, never challenge her or create any sexual tension. You're literally training her to see you as a friend. Here is the solution to all of this. The only way to get out of the friend zone is what I call the T.D.C method. T, that means time. This means taking 4 to 6 weeks of strategic space, no daily texting, no being her go-to guy for every problem, no immediate responses. You let her wonder where you went because right now you're too available, you're too predictable. D is for distance. This is about creating scarcity in your availability. Stop initiating all the conversations. Have a life outside of her. Be mysterious about what you're doing. Show up differently when you're in the same space. C is for change. This is the big one. You need to show up as a completely different version of yourself. Instead of constant compliments, you tease her playfully. Instead of agreeing with everything, you challenge her views. Instead of asking permission for your opinions, you own them confidently. You literally disappear the nice guy she's used to and reappear as a confident, attractive man that she's never met before. Here is what happens, the magic that happens. She starts thinking, wait, where did he go? Why isn't he always available anymore? He seems different, more confident. What's changed? Now, I know this sounds simple, but in the moment when she texts you or calls you upset about something, it's so easy to fall back into old friend patterns. That's why I created the Friend Zone Escape cheat sheet, and I want to give it to you completely for free because you need it, right? Because here's the thing. You are an amazing guy. I want you to be with someone who is genuinely excited about you. And women are not going to be excited about you if you keep acting so darn friendly to them. And I don't want you to forget how to avoid this trap. So I'm giving you this cheat sheet to keep you on track. It shows you exactly how long to take space and what to do during that time. It shows you the specific words to say instead of your usual friend responses. It shows you how to create sexual tension when you've never had it before. It also shows you the confident mindset shifts that change everything. It shows you the red flags that are going to put you right back into the friend territory if you're not careful. Plus, the exact comeback strategy for when you re-enter her world as this new you. I'm not charging anything for this because guys like you who care enough to actually want to improve should have this roadmap, this cheat sheet. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. This doesn't work 100% of the time. Some women are never going to see you romantically, no matter what you do. You're just not their type. But here's what will happen. You'll become the kind of man that women are attracted to. More women will be attracted to. And even if it doesn't work with her, it's absolutely going to work with the next woman that you meet because you'll never act like just a friend again. So if you're tired of being the safe option, if you're done being her emotional dumping ground while she dates other guys, if you want to make sure you never fall into these friend patterns again, I want you to click the link in the description below and grab your free Friend Zone Escape cheat sheet. I'm giving this away because I believe you should have better. And I want to make sure you have the exact steps to avoid this situation in the future. You're worth more than being someone's backup plan. Don't let another day go by watching her date everyone except you. So go get that cheat sheet, follow the T.D.C method, and start showing up as the confident, attractive man that you really are. Because here's the truth. She doesn't owe you a relationship just because you're nice to her. But you can be with someone who's genuinely excited about you. Okay, thanks for watching this bonus video, and remember, I post new content every Tuesday, every week, to help you become the man women actually want. So hit that subscribe button now so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you next week.